Good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Today is Friday, the 12th of November, 2021. And of course, we've been watching Loopring, and I know a lot of people are wondering what's going on with it. It's been disappointing. People were expecting it to go to $5. Some people were saying it's going to go to $7. And now we're sitting at $2.83. Down 9%, and it seems like all the shine on LRC is gone, while everybody's looking at Decentraland and on Sand. They're looking at all the stuff touching the metaverse, and nobody seems to want to pay attention to Loopring. That since there were some rumors that it was going to be hinged to GameStop, I wanted to dig into Loopring a little bit more so we have a real understanding of what's really going on. So you can see right now it's $2.83. You can see it has a market cap of $3,755,624,792 and fluctuating. You can see also that it's been up and down over the day, and over the last 7 days, for the most part, it has been up a good bit. So we're in a kind of a consolidation phase here. And of course, over the month, it surged, and that's where the source of all the hype is. If we go over to the holders, we can see that it is fast approaching 100,000 holders, which is incredible. So if we look at November 10th, 95,000 holders. We look at and 95,339, and then if we look at November 11th, 95,900. So about 600, anywhere from 600 to almost 1,000 people a day are becoming new holders of LRC, even though the price is declining. And so that takes me to where we need to look at the source of all of this hype. And it revolves around articles like this one. Here is an article on, let's just check the on the Sun here. And it's talking about possible partners. Will GameStop launch an NFT marketplace using Loopring technology? So it's kind of, you got to be careful when you read through these kind of articles, because they're doing the same thing that we're doing. There's a lot of people speculating about where something's going to go based on what some YouTubers have said. So it's important to dig in. It says, while nothing has been confirmed, the price of Loopring has soared over the past month. It says over the last few weeks, rumors now have been gaining traction on the internet that GameStop is partnering up with Loopring to launch an NFT marketplace. The price of Loopring has risen over 400% since the initial rumors began. Typically valued for less than $1, Loopring prices are now over $3, right? And now it's back under $3. It's $2.86. While no official announcement by either of the companies in question have been made in regards to the partnership, social media is full of users waiting on a statement. One user, okay, listen to this, tweeted, "Loopring is going to be massive once this GameStop announcement comes through. I'm doing my best to build up a stake now before it takes off." Okay. So people are building up a stake based on rumors, which may be valid rumors. Okay, it says many users have been aiming tweets at GameStop's account, asking them when they are going to announce the launch of their speculated partnership. So a word of caution. This next thing I'm going to show you is very important. They start talking about what the NFT marketplace is. And then they start talking about what Loopring is. And I want to bring your attention to this fourth line here. First of all, according to Kraken, Loopring is a software running on Ethereum that aims to incentivize global network of users to operate a platform that enables the creation of new types of crypto asset exchanges. Loopring was founded in 2017 by Daniel Wang, software engineer in China, and the company uses multiple cryptocurrencies, including their own LRC. Now look at this right here. They hope to provide high-speed exchanges for lower costs using technology known as zero knowledge rollups. Okay, so if you go out there to the Loopring site, they'll talk about how they can do 2,000 transactions compared to 2 transactions per second. They can do 2,000 per second because of their off-chain technology that they've developed. But I want to focus in on this ZK rollup, because are there other L2 solutions out there using this technology? Well, if we do a quick search, you might come across this page. Here is a brief guide. This is on medium.datadriveninvestor.com. It has a brief guide to ZK rollup projects and products. Look, Loopring is one of them, but look at all these other companies. It's not that many. ZK Sync, Loopring, Starkware, ZK Swap, AZ Tech, Hermes. Now, there is another article out here talking about the fact that GameStop put out a hiring action for people that had knowledge in Ethereum, the Ethereum blockchain. They had knowledge of ZK rollups. They had knowledge of smart contracts. Everything that they talked about, it looked like, hey, do you have knowledge about what Loopring is? They did not use the term Loopring, but if you look at the description of Loopring on its site, it looks like the jobs they were trying to hire were for people that understood Loopring. However, I'm submitting this to you. Here are 4, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other projects that apparently, even though they don't have an ecosystem yet, okay, they do use ZK rollups, okay? Now, here, and there are 2 of these, Loopring and ZK Sync, both apparently have ecosystems. And if we do a little slow read through these, you can see that there is a possibility that, you know, we don't know. We don't know what GameStop is going to use, okay? All we know is that they're looking for people that have this kind of background, ZK rollups and Ethereum and this kind of stuff for the people that they're hiring. So couldn't it be any one of these? We don't know. So we have to be careful. There's no problem speculating, but when you start talking about which solution, okay, which layer 2 scaling solution GameStop is going to use, there's no telling, okay? Maybe for the people who have invested in this, they might have some more intel. If there's more, I'd love for you guys to drop a comment in the comment section. In the meantime, we're going to keep watching Loopring, and we wish the best of luck to those people investing. Of course, this is not investment advice, whether to hold, sell, or continue to buy more. But I just wanted to bring your attention to the fact that there are other competing venues out here using similar technology, okay? And we just need to keep our ear close to the ground. Watch this thing carefully. So with that, if you found this video of value, please like, please subscribe, please share, and I'll catch you on the next one.